Okay, my dear student, good morning. Today, day 17, part 1. Our chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. Here we can discuss what is the linear equation, linear equation in one variable, and pair of linear equation in two variable. Now, in this topic, we discuss the question. Suppose if you have a statement type question, word problem question, then how we can solve it. Clear? Then from our exercise 3.1, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you are then. Also 3 years from now I shall be. First of all, we discuss the same question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Then also 3 years from now I shall be there 3 times as old as you will be. Is not this interesting? Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Then in our last class we know what is the mean of algebraically and what is the mean of geographically or geometrically. Clear? Then it is a statement, S type problem. Clear? And here Aftab and his daughter. Then first is Aftab and second one is daughter. Then for this question, exercise 3.1, question number 1. You consider, in this question you can consider the present age. Clear? Let present age of Aftab be X years and present age of his daughter. Present age of his daughter be Y years. Clear? Then 7 years ago, you know that when we discuss for which particular word we can use which sign, then 7 years ago, ago means minus sign. Then here we can write 7 years ago Aftab age means 7 years ago Aftab age. Now if the Aftab age is X, then before 7 ago means before 7 years. Suppose if my present age is 35, and what is the age of what is my age? What was my age before 7 years? Then from 35 we can subtract 7. Clear? We subtract 7 from 35. Then the age of Aftab is X. Then X minus 7. In the same way, 7 years ago his daughter's age. So present age is present daughter age is Y. Then Y minus 7. Now 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Means Aftab, the age of Aftab is 7 times the age of his daughter before 7 years. Then before 7 years Aftab age is X minus 7 and his daughter age is Y minus 7. Then according to question, X minus 7 is equal to 7 y minus 7. Then from first statement, the 7 year ago, Aftab age is 7 times to his daughter. Then his daughter age is y minus 7. Then it's 7 times, and it is the Aftab age. Now you can solve it. Then x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Now numbers goes number side and literals variable side. Now here x, this minus 7y, and this minus 49 plus 7. Now it is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. It is the equation 1. Now then after second line, I shall be 3 times as old as you. Then there also 3 years from now. Suppose from now the same time age of Aftab is x and age of his daughter is y, and from 3 years now, then you know that if from now, then we can use plus sign. Then age of Aftab will 3 years from now. It means present tense. Now age is x year, then x plus 3. In the same way, age of his daughter will be 3 years from now, means that present age of his daughter is y, then y plus 3. Now their relation according to question, x plus 3 is equal to 3 times 2. By this way, now you can change their side, number side and variable side. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Here x plus 3, x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. Now x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation 2. Then in our question, algebraically and geometrically, then our question is first from the first statement equation 1, and from the second statement equation 2. It is the algebraically. The same question you can represent, it means you can represent it on the graph. Clear? Then it is the graphically. Then see here, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. Then see, I think everyone understood clearly. Then see, here x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, equation 1, and x minus 3y is equal to 6, equation 2. Now it is the algebraically system. Then after you can represent it geometrically or graphically. Then on the graph sheet you use graph sheet. Then here x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 from equation 1. Here first you can put x is equal to 0, or you can write it x is equal to minus 42 and plus 7y. Here this question this equation written in the form of y. It means here y is the independent variable and x is the dependent variable. You are free to put any value of y, then you got corresponding value of x. Now here we can put y is equal to 0. Make a table like this way. We can put only two value. One is 0. If y is equal to 0, then see x is equal to minus 42 and plus 7 into 0. Then x is equal to minus 42 plus 0. It means x is equal to minus 42. Clear? Then here minus 42. If you can put x is equal to 0, then here x is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to minus 42 plus 7y. 42 comes this side, then 0 plus 42 is equal to 7y. 7y is equal to 42. Y is equal to 42 upon 7. It is 6. Now if you can put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6. Clear? Now represent this point on the graph. Suppose here 6, 12, all are the negative sign, 18, 24, 30, 36, and this is the 42. Clear? And it is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. In the same way, it is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, minus 6, minus 12, minus 18, minus 24. In the same way, it is y-axis, it is x-axis. Then first point is minus 42 and 0. Then you know that y is 0 on x-axis, then this point is A. Suppose you can consider A, minus 42 comma 0. And second point is 0, 6. Then this is the B. Then our line is by this way. Clear? You can join this point A and B. It is 0 comma 6. Then after, from equation 2, here you can write from equation 2, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Then first you can put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6. Here x, y, here x is equal to y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. And if x is equal to 0, then see 0 minus 3y is equal to 6, minus 3y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 upon minus 3, it is minus 2. That means if you can put 0, then y is equal to minus 2. Then it is C and D. Here C we get 6 comma 0 and D 0 comma minus 2 from equation 2. Then first 6 comma 0. This is the C, 6 comma 0, and 0 minus 2. Here approximately this point is D. Use the graph sheet Clear? Now you can join it by this way, and I think this line by this way, it means they intersect at this point. Clear? Then by this way you can represent it geometrically. In the same way, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls of rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat for 3 more balls of the same kind of 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Then you consider the cost of 1 bat is x and cost of 1 ball is 6. Then 3 bat 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. In the same way, 3 more balls means 6 ball before 3 more means 9 ball. She buys later another bat means 1 bat. 1 bat x plus 9y is equal to 1,300. Clear? By this way you can solve the same question. Then after we discuss how we can solve the question. Okay? Now in next topic we discuss how we can solve the pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Okay? Thank you.